Bolbaring, I forgot already how. If you're Western peoples out there, it's a rice. This is a rice. Classy women and they are very strong.
You buy surfing breakfast
Where we are heading?
to the river.
To the river.
Yes.
So we need to buy the surf first. Hey! Kumne, pilong!
You can buy from that shop. So finally we have reached.
We have reached here.
Yes.
What are we gonna do today?
We wash the clothes.
And
You're
that's
gonna
how
wash
you
the
put
clothes,
it usually.
right? Yeah.
You put it in the sheet, all the clothes, and then
Yes.
you put it here.
Yes. Let's
We
go.
have few pockets.
Look at this.
Look at
Wow,
that
it's
one, huh?
so beautiful. Let's go, baby.
This is a Meghalaya.
Yes.
This is a Meghalaya. One of the most beautiful places in the whole world. No joking. If you haven't ever visited Meghalaya, now is your time.
Now you look like a local.
Isn't it?
Yes. You should be local
yes.
now because we are settling here. So you should know all the things.
Absolutely.
Slowly.
Suki. And this is my first time actually to wash clothes
In the river.
in the river.
Oh, mommy.
Oi. Take care. And
It's
look
a
this one.
grasshopper.
Look this one.
Oh, it's beautiful.
This called all of your Western peoples out there is a rice. This is a rice. Land of rice. Meghalaya, land of rice. Plenty of rice. You go in your shop, in your ass market or co market, you buy a packet of rice. This is a fresh thing. This is natural, organic. Could say also one of the best in the world. No joke. Let's go. Oi!
Sngi satjan, ngilik satjan. Ma.
To, what it means?
I said today it's a Saturday, so we go wash clothes.
Yes.
It comes more sense when you say in Khasi. Sngi satjan, ngilik satjan. Shawa. Shawa
Smisha,
ambi hapo.
Smisha shine.
Sngi satjan.
Smisha shine.
Sngi satjan.
Sneak shna shnai.
Sngi
Sni.
satjan.
Shachine.
Ngiyalet.
Nanya
Ni
ni.
yalet
Yale.
satjan.
Chachai.
Yes. Oh, let's sing that song also na Bolbaring. You know na?
At the Bolbaring song.
Yes.
Bolbaring takotin. I forgot already how was
Bolbaring kakaliri.
Oh yeah,
Kaliling.
kakaling.
Not to wash.
That's why.
Not to.
That's why.
Not to be careful.
That's why in
When you
India. That's why. Whoa, snake!
What the frick? Don't say it like that. Seriously.
What's a snake there?
Seriously, baby.
Yes. No, it's okay. Don't worry. He ran away.
Oh
My goodness.
Gosh, I didn't say there's a snake over there.
My goodness.
We go from there. We go from there.
From where?
Oh, yeah, we go from there. We can
Oi,
adjust.
come now.
We can adjust, na?
Yes. Ah, so we go in the same place here.
Yeah.
Same area.
We wash it all together.
Here we are. Beautiful river. In Paham Sim. Shout out Paham Sim also. What do you think about Paham Sim? What do you think about Paham Sim?
This is a very beautiful place to stay.
Ah,
You are safe here, and
Yeah.
people here are very good.
yeah.
They are very helpful.
Ah,
So, yeah.
that is true.
Yeah.
Many people want to stay
Settle
here.
up here.
Yeah, settle up and come to here in Paham Sim. So shout out Paham Sim. I could say that Paham Sim is like a Riphoi of Delhi. You know, it's like a main city. Paham Sim is the main city.
Yes.
Okay, we start to do. Okay, baby, you teach me how we do this thing. Firstly, I think so. We have this one more. Put it here or what?
Okay, you come from there.
Okay, let's see how the parang is washing a clothes. What is sugar? Sugar.
Chini.
Huh?
Chini.
Shini and millu. Okay. How you say one? One.
Wait.
When?
Wait.
When chai?
Wait.
Huh?
You say one, right?
Yes, one. Wei, wei, wei are lai. Oh, okay. Wei, chai, and millu. Was it millu or which one was sugar?
Sugar is chini.
Oh, shini. Wei, chai. What was it again?
Chini.
Wei, chai, swili. Okay, whatever it is. Swili. My goodness. Somebody told me that Khasi is easy language. Wait a sec. I step here, na?
Yeah. And then you come down.
Okay, I'll come down. Huh?
You can just
Like
put it
this,
there.
huh?
You put it here, baby.
So you put the water from here to here.
Yeah.
Here is our clothes,
And we pour some salt.
and then we. Okay.
In your country, you use only washing machine, right?
Yeah, washing
And
machine.
this is our washing machine here.
This is our washing machine.
Local. washing
Local.
machine.
Henko. 10 rupees only.
Detergent.
Huh?
Detergent.
Yeah. I still have muddy on my hand. Okay, where I put this
You
one?
pour it here. In this
Here.
water. Yeah. All.
Like this. All.
Yeah.
All.
Yeah.
Oh. Like this.
Yeah.
And this one, guys, don't throw it in the river. Don't throw it on the ground. Put it in your pocket when you go home. Then you throw it in your trash
Dustbin.
bin. That's what.
You take this blanket now.
How this works? Nah?
Yeah, you
Like
put
this.
it here. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Yeah. Nicely.
Nicely.
Yeah. Blanket.
Flip it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Like this.
Yeah, yeah.
My
yeah.
goodness, this weighs like 100 kilos. This
Yeah.
blanket.
It's not
Khasi
easy.
women, and they are very strong. Very strong, nah? My God. And then what I do? Like this?
Yeah, you just wait for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah. Benci ka na
Oh.
kerjaan.
To.
Benci ang tu dah.
Ha?
Benci tu kerjaan yang tu banyak sal.
Pinch in a can too. Yeah.
Ah,
Like this.
itu.
You wash it like that or what?
No.
You just put wet here.
Yeah, just wet it first.
Then I have seen that you guys, you smash it like that.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yes. Now we can wash it there now. It's free.
Yeah.
That kong is already done.
Kong is done already. Here you always. Oi. It's very slippery now.
Yes, you can walk.
Okay. Always.
Oh, you flip in
Always help each other.
Yes.
So I put it here.
No. You let it be there first for 5
This one
minutes.
first,
Yeah.
5 minutes.
Yeah. Min sedang ban saja nak mentah.
Huh?
Min sedang ban saja nak mentah.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay, then what we do next?
Now,
We are on again.
okay. Min sedang ban saja.
Kang Mansha.
Min sedang ban saja mentah. Min
Ning.
sedang
Dang.
ban saja
Pach.
ban
Bachnak dang. Ban.
saja
Sajan.
mentah.
Menta.
Alright.
Let's
Okay.
go then. What we do next?
You take this bed sheet.
Aha.
Jan Cynthia.
Chan Chintia.
Jan
Chan Sin
Cynthia.
Tia.
Yes, this is bed sheet we call Jan Cynthia. So you
Chan Chintia.
yes.
Chan Chintia.
No Jan.
Chan.
Jan
Chain. Sin.
Cynthia.
Tia.
Yes.
Thank you, teacher. Kuplay Shibun. Kakaling kana kirana
Take your glasses. Come on, you are washing clothes now.
I know, but you know the future is so bright, so I cannot. What to do?
Water.
Like here.
Kumtu kan.
Kumtu.
Hindi naman kawang kumtu kan.
Ah.
Suki kan.
Suki.
Tu lah biang kan. Tu. Kerjau kan minta kerjau biang.
Ah.
Kerjau biang itu tu. Kerjau ba?
Kerjau pa.
Alright, kumtu.
Komtu. Kacaro pa. Komtu. Toto. Kuplesi pun.
Nanda pimde kanya penhak kumtu.
Pila de pamcha.
Ngaladat.
Ladet. Toto.
Kerjau ba kan?
This is absolutely first time for me. This is very unknown.
Okay, you hold this. I will show you how we do.
Okay, you show me. Kumtu.
Yes. Very hard. Strong, you know?
Strong. Kasi woman is very, very strong.
We don't need washing machines because God has given us two hands to use it. So we use it, you know? That's how we are. Don't underestimate the power of a Kasi woman.
My goodness. Next president.
We can do like this to you. You
Show
want
again.
We can take your legs like this, no? Salah.
Salah.
Wash it nicely, nah?
Yes. Nicely.
Yeah, and you have a strong wife, you know? My labor time is almost coming, but still I'm washing clothes in the river. Imagine.
I'm speechless. I'm very speechless. That's what. My wife is very strong, no doubt. So don't play with that.
Yeah, if you play with me, I'll do like I did these clothes.
In my country, it's pretty simple. You just have your clothes, just put it in the machine. You press few buttons and you go watch the TV, and in 30 minutes, 1 hour, your clothes are ready. It's a different lifestyle here, but I like it in this way. We have also done in my country for a long time back. We have done like this. Also, we have washed our clothes with the snow before, long time back. This one.
Yeah, you take that one first.
I'm telling you, this weighs a lot. This is very heavy.
Yes.
I'm not joking. You can actually do it. I'm not joking.
Yeah, and you step it.
Step in.
Yeah, stepping on the blanket. Yeah, like that.
This?
Yeah, nicely. Put it all that together nicely.
This is how you do.
Yeah, you do it like that first.
Really?
Yeah. Taking all the dirt.
I just drop it on the ground.
Yeah,
Need to
sạch
wash
giang
it
mình ta.
again. My goodness. It's not easy actually, this job. I wonder really how you guys do it. If I could have a hat, I could definitely take it off for you. It's not easy thing. And some people also here, they do this as a work. What means that people give them bed sheets and they give them bed sheets and clothes to wash, and that's how they get paid. And imagine if you do this for, I don't know, 8 hours a day or whatever you do. Depends how much you have clothes. A lot of appreciation for you guys. My goodness. For me, for this few blankets here,
You already feel like you give up.
I'm done.
Are you really done?
No, definitely. We Finnish people, we are never done. I'm just, joking around. We never done.
Okay.
We always last. Finnish people always last. Like Indians also.
Quả đi
Thôi.
Thạch em.
Nè, nát tay đây.
Don't say le. Say ngala thai. Ni là so thạch đây.
I have heard so many times like that.
But don't say it.
It's not good.
Yeah, it's not good. Kok bam do quay ni pa? Ai do quay?
Thôi.
Chị bam quay.
Bam.
Teng teng hả?
Teng no.
Bam là nó quay skin tin. Sim ke?
Shim.
Quạt bam itu ko shun dat no.
Mo.
Ha. Good. Itu ko shun.
Kashun.
Dia ban khat no kum tu.
Kum to.
Rồi.
Tao.
Bam tu. Bang?
Tight na.
Bang nam tu kwai. Ka.
Bam.
Kumno, how was your experience eating betel nut?
Quite strong. I don't know if you really do, but this is a kasi thing. Just do like this, na. Only.
You should sing that song na. Ukwai ba ay mapi ani jingbang hakato kasni.
Upai, kukang.
Ukwai ba ay mapi ani jingbang hakato kasni.
Kandu kasni.
Yes. Wow.
We are done.
Done finally. Let's go back home.
That's how we carry here in India.
You look great.
Thank you for watching, guys. Till the next episode. Look at the view. Bye.
So cute, they were saying to you.
Bye.